Hey Mirror, how are you doing? I wanted to tell you two things. One, I really enjoy my new Scout. It's an amazing system. I never flew a system like this. It's a brand new way to fly, and I thank you for that. The second thing I want to tell you is about a service I got today from Gadi from Israel that was in a level that I never got from any other service person, professional or service member, whatever. As you probably know, one of my parts was stuck and the pin was stuck and I couldn't fix the frame to be whole. So I called Gary to solve that. He suggested some things. Nothing worked. So he told me he will consult with you. And he probably did. And after 2 hours, he calls me. He says he's under my house. He just arrived. He drove more than an hour. He brought a new part. He installed the new part. He installed all the rivets. I have now a new frame, a new part. Everything works great, and he drove for an hour or more for a stuck pin. That's an amazing service. There aren't people like Gadi. He's an amazing guy. I love him. He's my new brother. So thank you a lot, Gadi. Thank you a lot, Scout, for the system, and hope we can fly again together soon. Goodbye, everybody.